Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I think just yesterday I made a video about the intersect tool and putting pictures inside of this map. And if we look, let me get rid of that line. If we look and we take, let me see what my nudge factor is. This thing is just 6 inches, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 8. And I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that spot in and then nudge it over. And then I'm going to take that spot and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to bring in my flag. For this to work, the outline has to be visible. Not quite. So don't ever move your outline, move your picture. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to select everything. I'm going to intersect it. And what that did, that put that flag into that picture. Well, the reason I like intersect over Powerclip, and I'm going to show you. So if we take this one, we still have to make a shape, and I'm going to nudge it over. And let's take these sailors, or let's left click, right click, and then let's grab this picture and go up to Object and Powerclip, place inside frame, and put it inside that frame. It does the exact same thing, with the exception that I've heard sometimes the picture is not really gone. If you look, you can go to edit and the picture is still there. So that enables you to move the picture around and things to say finish. So it really does the same thing, except for I've heard sometimes in engraving, the picture is not really gone. So if we look at this, it's gone. I mean, there's nothing left. If we put the yellow box trick, order, backup page, the picture's gone. Now with the Powerclip, it looks like it's gone, but you could still edit it, so the picture is still basically there. So sometimes Powerclip, and the other thing I like about Powerclip, if we Powerclip this, we no longer have that shape. When we intersect this, we still have our shape. If you look, I still have my picture. I can grab that again and make a new one. I'm going to left click, I'm going to right click in black this time, select it all, and then go intersect. And I can keep using that shape over and over and over again if I want to make more than one, or, you know, put a different picture in there and look around. Where a Powerclip, once it's done, you've lost that shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.